Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on how to install CUDA on Ubuntu 22.10. CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform and application programming interface model created by Nvidia. It allows software developers to use a CUDA-enabled graphics processing unit, GPU, for general-purpose processing. Here are the steps to install CUDA on Ubuntu 22.10. Before installing CUDA, make sure your GPU is supported. You can find the list of supported GPUs on the official Nvidia website. Make sure your system is up to date by running the following commands. Install dependencies required for CUDA. Visit the Nvidia CUDA Toolkit download page, https://developer.nvidia.com/CUDA-downloads. Choose your operating system, architecture, distribution, version, and download the run file, .run, corresponding to your system. If you are using an Nvidia GPU, you may need to disable the nouveau driver. Create a file at /etc/modprobe.d/blacklist-nouveau.conf with the following content. Then, regenerate the initial ramdisk. Reboot your system to apply the changes. Navigate to the directory where you downloaded the CUDA toolkit and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions. You can choose to install the GPU driver during the installation process. Add the following lines to your shell profile file, example /.bashrc or /.zshrc. Replace 11.5 with the version you installed. After installation, you can verify that CUDA is installed by running. This should display the installed CUDA version. If you are planning to do deep learning with frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, you may also want to install CUDNN and TensorRT. Visit the Nvidia website to download the respective packages. Congratulations! You've successfully installed CUDA on Ubuntu 22.10. You can now start using your GPU for parallel computing tasks and deep learning applications. ChatGPT